started at 4:30 a.m. from Bangalore on way to Ooty. Ooty has always on my list for a very long time, with very high expectations of doing some great cornerings and getting to see the view of Bandipur forest, Ooty. Everything got spoiled at Bandipur. Speed breakers after speed breakers, non-stop speed breakers, every 200 meters speed breakers. Testing my patience. Eventually, all the ADB guys jumped over the speed breakers and left me in the dust. But I'm not gonna give up. It is the time for climb where my RC performs. This machine performs exceptionally well in cornerings and hairpins. With his expectations, he took my time over the turn, but eventually found out that I'm struggling. Then I realized, no, I am not struggling. My bike is struggling. See, if you can hear clearly that I am switching between second and third gear very frequently. You can see the upshifts and downshifts very clear. My bike is seriously struggling. This elevation climb to Ooty is tough, more tough than I expected. As I was having fun at the turns, I started to hear sound from my tank, a whistle. That normally happens when I am low on fuel and it's very hot inside the tank. I assume, how is it possible? I had a full tank, at least half should be left, but still. And I saw this guys realize that I am not at the back anymore. I have been catching up. All the problems aside, I got adjusted to it. Now it's not new, and slowly, turn after turn, I caught up to them, each one. A 200cc bike on Ooty Ghats with very less torque, no wonder it is suffering. Hearing that bike sound made me happy. You know why? Because I caught up to the lead group. I was so excited. I overtook him. And here is the next one. Oh, this is were one of the leads. Excited, I pushed forward and I could see more people. You can hear clearly sound coming from the bike, a whistle. It made me worry a bit. I checked my fuel indicator. It showed fuel. It had range. I confidently went forward. And I saw these people. Even more excitement crept in. And finally, I reached the lead group. And now I'm at number 3. I had a thought in my mind. Why are they slow? At that time I was full of adrenaline, so I couldn't think straight. Then I realized the lead came to know that there are people way behind, so he slowed down. Finally, at the checkpoint, Ooty, here we are. The trees welcomed us, saying, "Welcome to Ooty." Finally, we are at Ooty. I got left behind because I was refueling on my way to the stay. It was too hot, so I couldn't roam around too much. The next ride, coming up ride, is to Catherine Waterfall. So please stay tuned and subscribe for more. Thank you.